Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy text from scanned PDF files using Google Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, go ahead and open your file browser to locate the PDF file you want to work with. This could be in your Downloads folder, Documents, or wherever you've saved your scanned PDF. Once you've found your PDF file, simply double-click on it. This action will automatically open the file directly in your Google Chrome browser. Chrome has a built-in PDF viewer that makes it incredibly easy to work with PDF documents without needing any additional software or extensions. Give it a moment to load completely before moving on to the next step. Now that your PDF is open in Chrome, it's time to select the text you want to copy. Click and drag your mouse cursor to highlight the specific text, phrase, or sentence you need. The great thing about Chrome's PDF viewer is that it can often extract text even from scanned documents, making it much easier than manually retyping everything. Just make sure you highlight exactly what you need, as this will be what gets copied to your clipboard. After you've highlighted your desired text, right-click directly on the highlighted area. This will bring up a context menu with several options for you to choose from. These options allow you to interact with the selected text in various ways. From the context menu that appears, click on the option that says Copy. This action saves your highlighted text to your clipboard, making it ready to use wherever you need it. The copy function is essential because it allows you to transfer information from your PDF to other documents, emails, or any text field without having to manually type it out. Now you can paste your copied text anywhere you like. Whether you need it in a Word document, an email, a spreadsheet, or any other application, simply right-click where you want the text to appear and select Paste. Or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Your text will appear exactly as you copied it from the PDF. And that's it! You've successfully copied text from a scanned PDF file using Google Chrome. This method is incredibly useful for quickly extracting information from documents without needing specialized software. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.